How to configure iPhone 16e to use manual or automatic IP address. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, click on Wi-Fi. After clicking on Wi-Fi, then click on connected Wi-Fi info icon. And then scroll down and click on configure IP. Now click on configure IP, and here you can configure your IP address to automatic, manual, boot P. If you want to set it to manual, then click on manual, and here enter your IP address, subnet and router. And if you configure your IP address to automatic, then simply click on automatic. So this is the way to configure iPhone 16e to use manual or automatic IP address. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.